I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm Faith.
I'm Micah.
I'm Caleb.
And I'm Usmi.
So we had this little bet on who was going to show up late because we all had to be there at 5:30. Everyone was there. We're all lined up, ready to go, waiting for one person who's always late.
We'll never know. Wasn't even me. No idea.
So that person was Faith. Kia ora tātou, this is the OC Kōrero podcast from Ōrewa College, and this is our High Tide edition.
High Tide is where we celebrate success, achievements, and milestones across our kura.
I'm Faith.
I'm Micah.
I'm Caleb.
And I'm Usmi.
This week we're reflecting on Matariki at Ōrewa College. Our Te Whānau Taipari Rūmaki Reo program represented our kura at Mahurangi College.
Our Hautapu Dawn Ceremony at Ōrewa Beach, Year 8 Matariki performances, and a whānau hui that brought kōrero and community together.
We're starting with the meaning of Matariki. The heart of this season is remembrance, whānau, renewal, and aspiration.
So, what does Matariki mean to you guys?
To me, Matariki is a time to spend with family, friends, and loved ones, and to remember those who have passed away.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's the same for me. Also a good time to reflect on the past year and set our goals and aspirations for the year to come.
Matariki for me is sitting around with the family, enjoying some nice kai.
Okay, then why do you think it's important to take a sec and remember the people who have shaped our kura?
So last year we had two losses from our school, Beryl Blucher and Ann Golter, both well-known, well-loved members of our school community, of the Ōrewa community as well. So yeah, it's a good time just to pause, reflect on everything that's happened, remember them, and take them with us into the new year. Keep
For
them in
sure.
our thoughts.
Absolutely.
Next, we're celebrating Te Whānau Taipari, the Rūmaki Reo program at Ōrewa College, who represented us at Mahurangi's Matariki Festival.
How was it bringing this kaupapa into another school community?
It was incredible. It was the first time that Mahurangi has hosted the Matariki Festival. It's been going around a few years between us and Whangaparo. First time another school's hosted it, and it was absolutely amazing. Such a great range of performances from all different schools and different cultures as well. So it was really good to see. Taipari, they did an amazing job. It was their first performance as a group, and yeah, it was amazing to watch, amazing to be a part of.
What stood out about these performances, including ours?
I think it's good because over the years for Matariki, it's been more of the senior kapaka group. So I think for Taipari, it was good for them to perform, especially as the first year of Taipari being created. It was good for them to get a feel on stage and see if they want to pursue kapaka further
Yeah, for sure.
into their school life.
It'll be
That's
really
amazing.
great for getting experience and confidence as
Confidence
well within
Yeah.
the
True that.
Definitely.
performing
True
areas.
that.
Great.
What would you say to students thinking about joining Te Whānau Taipari?
Go for it. It's an incredible opportunity that we're so lucky to have here at Ōrewa College. Yeah, 100% go for it. You won't
Especially
regret it.
as the Māori community develops as well.
Yep.
There's so much encouragement and
So much future growth coming as
yeah.
well.
Yeah, definitely.
How does kapahaka help strengthen belonging at Ōrewa College and our connections to other schools in our community?
that's actually a great question. Okay, so for me, when I started at Ōrewa College, I was very much a you could say quiet kid.
I would.
Yeah.
And I think I joined Kopaka in year 9, and that's where I met a whole lot of people. I met Faith in year 10, year 11?
Year 10.
Year 10, yeah. I met Caleb. He joined in year 11.
Yeah.
Yeah, year 11. So yeah, it really helped me develop and find new relationships within school. It also helped build confidence within myself. As a quiet kid, standing up on stage, that's a huge change. So yeah, I think it's very great for students to find a way to connect themselves with their cultural identity, and it's a real safe environment as well. Everyone's doing the same thing. There's no judgment. It's
For
just you go out, you perform, and you enjoy yourself.
It's just another big family.
Yeah.
It's really important for the sense of belonging, which is amazing.
Yeah.
You know how you were talking about the connecting to your roots and everything?
Yes.
I think Kapahaka works really similar to Bollywood. Recently, Sandhya has started a Bollywood group, and I help lead that a lot.
Yes.
And I think that is such an important part of my school life recently, because it's been a huge part of increasing confidence and feeling really close to my culture and my roots.
For
And I
sure.
think Kapahaka would be working the same way, and so it is so important, which is lovely.
It really reinforces that fruit basket of our community. It's a mix of cultures, and you see it everywhere. Really, it's great.
Yeah.
And it's so special to like be embracing it, like so many cultures and so beautiful, each of them. Yeah, it's lovely.
I mean, that's on brand.
Did someone just crash into my car?
Where did you park? Was it
In the
there?
bus stand?
Our next milestone was a very special one. Ōrewa College's first Hautapu Dawn Ceremony, held at Ōrewa Beach before sunrise.
That's awesome.
Okay, I have a few questions. What is it like to gather at the beach in the early morning for such a meaningful kaupapa?
It was a different vibe, eh? It was so cool. Just all of us together as one, coming together. Yeah, it was cold.
For sure.
We
It was freezing.
layered up. Didn't really want to get out of the car when we got there, eh?
Yeah.
But no, once we got out, everything was all set up. Everyone started showing up, got going. It was just so cool.
For
Yeah.
sure.
Beautiful day for it as well.
Yeah, definitely. For me, just
Cruising.
just taking my time, even though I probably shouldn't have taken my time, but we just go with the flow. But when I got out of the car, it was like, the vibe. This vibe switched, and you like really realize that it's
Gets real.
Yeah,
it
for
gets
sure.
real, and it's nice. It's not like a bad type of.
It's heavy, but
Yeah.
it's good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it feels good.
Yeah, I relate to that a lot. I really felt the wairua
Hard.
at the,
Yeah.
definitely standing on the coast looking at the stars.
Yeah, yeah.
It really felt like, oh, there's someone. Like,
Yeah, nah.
Yeah.
oof.
There was something there for
There
sure.
were for
Yeah.
sure,
For
for
sure.
sure, for sure.
Yeah, me coming in the last 5 minutes, I missed a lot. But the moment I arrived, it was really peaceful from what I got. And it was lovely just standing there in silence, looking at the stars and seeing you guys huddle in. Oh my gosh, that was so sweet. And it was just so nice to see.
Yeah, so on that, huddling in, what role did we play as students for the Hautapu?
Okay.
You want to run us through how it all works?
Kia ora. So there was a few students. How many? Nine of us?
9, 10, 11, 12. On the Pukaya and the Putata.
Oh, true that. So there was 12 students, and we all played a pretty significant role during that ceremony. Us three, Caleb, Faith, and I, we were all gifted a karakia, which represented the stars of Matariki. I was Tipuarangi.
I was Hiui Te the best.
And I was Waita.
Kia ora. There was obviously other students for each star, and we all woke up bright and early, and we went down to the coast, and basically we all lined up and we said our karakia, and then that was followed by a haka delivered by Taipari. That was really special.
It was really cool, yeah.
And yeah, it was lovely seeing a whole lot of teachers, students, family, just everyone gathered for such an important thing.
I'll just touch in on the timeline as well. So after our karakias were delivered, we lifted the pot of the Hautapu, and the steam from all the different food sources went up, and that's what feeds the stars, keeps them going for their next circle around the earth next year. And after that, us kai karakia and our kaiako come together and did a closing karakia before heading back here to Ōrewa College to the OAC for an incredible breakfast day.
Incredible.
Yeah, beautiful.
Who's doing the food review?
So what was there? There was sausages. There was so much. There was Krispy Kreme there. Yum, yum.
Delicious.
The waiatas were really, really
Oh, yeah.
beautiful.
yes.
Yeah, so once we got back to the OAC, everyone was eating our Māori kaupapa, like our students and Taipari all came together and we delivered a few waiata just for the members of our community there to enjoy while they ate.
How did you feel about the waiata?
Yeah,
It was
like,
just such a special thing, especially how you guys decorated it really well, by the way. Like, ball next year fully.
lucky someone noticed because it was about 4 or 5 years.
It was like
4 or
there was
5 hours.
stars up everywhere, and it was really like calm and nice. And then when the waiata started, just so beautiful, and everybody's standing watching. Some people are singing along as well, and it's like a really special thing. I've not really
Surreal,
seen
eh?
that. Yeah, I've not witnessed that many times in my life, so it was amazing.
It really highlights the community
Yeah.
that we have.
Yeah.
We're
Everyone's
so blessed
strong.
to have
Yeah.
such a strong, tight-knit
Yeah.
community.
for sure.
Talented too.
We're also celebrating our Year 8 akonga who brought Matariki stories to life through original performances. How does performing help students understand Matariki more deeply?
Before that, I'm pretty sure I heard all of these, each class had to not only perform, direct, write, and just completely make up the entire storyline by themselves.
I didn't know that.
Yeah,
That's great.
yeah.
So
Yeah,
much
nice.
talent.
Literally.
Future talent coming through already.
I think it brings it brings a nice fun energy to education, especially for something so special and tapu like
Yep.
Matariki.
Yep.
It's real great to really put like a fun, light-hearted way to
Yep.
educate.
It's very
Yeah.
hands-on as well.
Especially
Yeah.
for
Yeah,
a
so-
young audience like the Year 8s.
Yeah, the ability to learn and be educated about something so tapu and so important by doing it in such an engaging way.
Yeah,
Something
Yeah.
that's
That really
enjoyable
helps you
to
retain
learn.
it.
Yeah.
Retain it, and take it all on board and live with it.
Yeah, absolutely. You get to properly experience it. Not only them, they got to experience it as they were performing, but whoever was watching, I'm sure it was really cool for them
Yeah.
to see
Yeah.
that as well. Like, these younger kids
Yeah.
doing that, putting their own creative twist to it
Yeah.
and finding what is special for them.
And I hear the OAC was packed.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, it's good to celebrate Matariki, especially like that for the younger kids, because I think when we started school, Matariki wasn't a public holiday like it is for them. So even though they're not doing it during Matariki week, they're still doing something for
Exactly.
For
Matariki.
sure.
Yeah.
This is a huge achievement
Yeah.
for us,
Yeah.
Have you ever performed in front of your whole year group, Caleb?
Not like that, definitely not. I don't think I could. It's so good that they're doing it now, though. It builds their confidence. So
For
for
sure.
future, yeah. But I definitely could not, and I haven't. But yeah,
Yeah, it's nothing to be embarrassed about. What they showed, the kind of confidence and talent they showed,
Oh, yeah, 100%.
is just so cool because, when it comes to performance, you're not always embarrassed about what you're performing, but you're embarrassed about standing on stage.
Yeah.
My year group, I know this people, they're going to be
it's
judging.
sometimes the same with our Manakura moments.
Yeah,
Fully. 13 assemblies.
Yeah, but it's such a thing to look up to. It's such an admirable thing.
It's fulfilling as well. Doing
Yeah,
it.
absolutely.
I think it's very admirable as well,
Yeah.
the courage and the confidence to stand up so effortlessly,
Yeah.
on stage, you're doing your thing. It's really cool, to watch even, not even being a
100%.
person on stage.
Yeah.
It's the watching and seeing them develop their character on stage.
Yep.
It's real cool.
Yeah, no,
and I
100%.
think I relate pretty well to that as well, because wihi and ihi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very much like that.
True.
Must have felt like a full circle moment.
Oh,
I said admirable, and you're like, it's really admirable.
Admirable. Did you say that?
I said admirable,
Oh,
and you were
my
like, okay, so it's really admirable. I was like, okay, wow.
My bad.
Straight hit at me.
You're correct.
I think I gave him a look. He could probably see. I was like, oh, really?
I think you did.
Yeah, no.
That's a little Easter egg. Finally, we're looking at the Matariki Whānau Hui, a community moment led by a rangatahi and staff to educate the community about Matariki.
How did the student speakers explain the meaning of Matariki, the significance of the stars, and the traditions of the Hautapu?
Me, Micah, Caleb, and Karis, we started off by introducing ourselves with the teachers of our Māori department. And then we had a slideshow and we were talking about what the stars were, the different names for Matariki in like Japan and Greece and stuff, and what the stars like actually represent, because I think that's the most important part.
Sure.
Yeah,
about
gave some
Matariki.
history in there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it was really cool because I had the last time I studied about Matariki stars was like year 8 maybe, so
Yeah.
it had been a while, and I had really wanted to be part of the morning of like, you know, looking at the stars, but whenever I do observe the stars, it's kind of like, oh, so pretty, and that's kind of where I leave it at. So I think it was such a genius idea for you guys to hold this Whānau night, kind of educating, not only bringing the whānau, the community together, but it also educates them for like, you know, the history, as you said, and what they should be looking for in the
for
stars,
sure.
and why
Yeah.
that's relevant, why that's so like important to us, the values and everything. And for me, that was so cool to see and learn.
That's good.
So even the cards that they gave out little cards with like the names of the stars, and I still carried it like the morning after. I was like, oh, I could see one star, so that wasn't really helpful, but I think it was so cool, the fact that you guys did that.
Yeah,
so.
no. We all brought our cards home, man.
Yeah.
They didn't
Yep.
come with us in the morning. It was up and go. There was no looking around for all that kind of
Too
stuff.
real, too real. I think I had like 20 in my pocket from when I was handing them out.
Hey, we're not handing them out.
Yeah, about those cards, I remember looking at the sky and I had the card up like that. I was like, where's the stars that I'm looking for? Eventually we found them, so it was great. It was great.
Yeah, you just
Yeah, I
have
was
to
not that
really look
fortunate.
hard.
Yeah.
Why does it matter when students help lead important cultural kōrero?
I think it's important for students, especially, to take a part in speaking about our culture, well, Māori culture in general, because it starts with us to bring awareness.
Yeah, 100%.
Especially if the younger kids, like the Taipari kids, they see us talking about it, they'll want to step into our role and become the future leaders to talk about Matariki and all of that.
Yeah.
For sure. Going back on that topic about the Taipari kids and looking at us as role models, I see that in them as well. Like, I see many potential
100%.
leaders, so
Definitely.
many,
That's the
so
thing,
many
since
leaders.
becoming manakura, you look around
Yeah.
the school and you see people, you'd be good head boy, you'd be good sports manakura.
Yeah.
Like Nico,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nico,
Yeah,
he's
no.
doing great. He's doing great things.
Yeah.
I saw, like, at the start of this year, he was very shy. And then I come into, when was it? I think it was the day before the, it was the day of the whānau night. That's what it was.
He
And
runs
we
that
did-
place now, eh?
We did our last practice in the Taipari?
Yep.
Yeah. And it was really interesting seeing him stand up as the haka lead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was crazy. It was like,
Incredible,
wow.
though, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was surprised actually, but I was like, oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's so cute.
It's really cool seeing them develop as a class, and as it's really turning into like a second family.
Yeah.
Like a
Yeah,
family.
100%. It
family.
is.
Yeah.
The Whānau Taipari.
Yeah,
Too
literally.
real.
Yeah.
The family of Taipari.
And on that
Yeah.
topic, the next Whānau Hui will be on Tuesday the 4th of August. Join us there to hear about the next stage of our Rumaki Reo and Te Ao Māori pathway, and connect with all of our staff and whānau with some kai.
Hey, the best part. Ngā mihi nui, and thank you for listening to OC Kōrero this week. That's all for OC Kōrero High Tide Edition.
This episode has been about the success and achievements that made Matariki meaningful at Ōrewa College.
we acknowledge Principal Woody Warner, Te Whānau Taipari, our Year 8 performers, our student speakers, staff, whānau, Mahurangi College, and everyone who helped bring this kaupapa to life.
As Matariki rises, we remember those who came before us, celebrating what our kura has achieved and look forward with aspiration.
Mānawatia, Matariki, we'll catch you next time.
Kia ora.